Hello, guys. This video will help you answer any queries you may have about connecting Bluetooth to Herdio's ceiling speakers. Have you any of the following issues? Bluetooth connection without sound, intermittent sound when connecting to Bluetooth. If you connect Bluetooth and there is no sound, make sure you have correctly connected the amplifier and speakers. Pick up one of our Bluetooth amplifiers. You'll find two positions next to the screw port, one in front and one in back. So which position is the correct place to put the speaker wire? The correct way to connect is in the front position. When connecting speakers, be careful that the speaker wire does not exceed the exposed position. So let's connect all of the speakers and amplifiers. How can we know if the Bluetooth connection is working? When you connect the power, you will hear a ding-dong sound. The blue light signifies a successful Bluetooth connection, while the yellow light indicates that the TWS function is enabled. You can turn it on or off at any time at the little blue switch. All four speakers are connected. Let's try a song live with my phone connected to the speaker and play it. But what if the Bluetooth connection is intermittent? When you go to the trouble of drywall openings and find that the effective Bluetooth connection lets you feel disappointed. It might be because the speakers are too far away from the device you're using to listen to music, or it might be because nearby signals are interfering. Another possibility is that there's an issue with the amplifier. To replace the new Just amplifier, please get in touch with our customer service. I have a wonderful news to share with you. Our amplifiers can now connect to 4 speakers. The new amplifier link I put below the description. Okay. If you have any other questions about connecting our ceiling speakers, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our updates.